Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 28 is box number 3. Okay, use a square shaped paper as usual and start from the right side top and mountain folding to make a rectangle. Unfold and fold lateral from other direction like this. Then unfold and you will see 4 small squares on the entire paper. Now fold every corner of square to the center point. This is number 2, and number 3, and then the last one. Now it will look like this. Grab the both end and divide at the center. And then fold once more to make a small triangle. Then insert your finger into the triangle and make a square like this. And the opposite side do the same. So this is what you should have now. Square shape. Fold the triangle on the upper side, and when you do this, bottom end is open. It will look like this. Turn over the entire paper and open the square like this and like this. So this is what you should have now. And change the surface by flipping the piece of both ends as if rotating. The upper center is not connected. One piece of paper now. And that part fold half of all 4 pieces. Side lines should be on the center line. It's number 1 and number 2. And this is the back side, number 3 and number 4. And fold the upper part like this towards the bottom end. And the opposite side as well. So the paper gets very small. This is what you have now. And insert your finger inside of thick area where the space is and open it. And that's it. This is the box. Okay, let's see the video, the supplement video for box number 3. Fold at the center, rectangle. And another rectangle from other direction. Both mountain folding. And now each corner point together at the center point. Number 2. And all of them. The next is to make this into half. and half again. And insert your finger into this triangle area and open it. To make a square. The back side, the same. Okay, now insert your finger in here to open that square, like this, and the other side as well, the square, open the squares, like this, flip, and flip the other side as well. And fold a small part like this. So you have to do 4 of them, then 2, and the other side has 3, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, getting close to be done. This triangle part to fold into the end. Same for the back side. Okay. Now all you need to do is open that open space area and fine tune and do the finishing. Okay, lecture 28, box number 3 is done. And next is lecture 29, which is going to be a piano. Piano is an easy one. Okay, see you.